Tired of rigid project management tools that just don't fit your unique workflow? Today, we're unlocking the power of Lovable to build your own perfectly tailored project management system. Lovable is your ultimate canvas for personalized project management. Let's dive into how you can transform it into your ideal command center. First, let's set up your foundational projects. Think of each project as a distinct container here. You can customize key details like client names, budget allocations, important deadlines, or any other metric that matters specifically for the projects you manage. Next, we'll manage your tasks with precision within each project. Create granular tasks. You can assign these to yourself or team members, set clear due dates, and even break down larger tasks into manageable subtasks. Crucially, you can define task dependencies, ensuring your workflow progresses logically and efficiently. Resource management is key to success. Lovable allows you to easily track who is responsible for what, either at the task level or across the entire project. Assign team members, define their roles, and see at a glance who is working on what, preventing bottlenecks and ensuring balanced workloads. Collaboration is seamless with Lovable. Empower your team by adding comments directly to tasks, attaching relevant files, and integrating communication channels. This keeps all project-related discussions and documentation in one central, accessible location, fostering transparency and efficient teamwork. Finally, visualize your progress with custom dashboards. Lovable lets you build dynamic views of your projects, add widgets that track task completion, highlight upcoming deadlines, or provide an overview of team workload. This adaptable interface ensures you always have the information you need at your fingertips. With Lovable, you're not just using a project management tool. You're crafting your own. Embrace this flexibility to build a system that truly works for you.